before mag-live, nag-apan sa akong baby girl. Nga, nagkuan ko din mga bayo na. Nag-edit ko. Tanaw na ito, be. Ilay. Na yung TV dahil, Adong.
Surasan deh.
It's 7 in the evening. And my baby girl were going to put some ingredients on my face. Ingredients. Asa?
Ayaw, wala gyud i-post Jill, badon ko rin.
Yung light post lang, hinay lang.
Wagay i-post.
Nagdula masad ka dong.
Sa aso pa nila ako, kailangan mo ko. Ay, meet up, di pa rin ito.
It's there. Yeah, yes, mga bay. This is the moment for this time before I'm gonna sabak to my life. She is my personal makeup artist. She make practice in my face. Yeah, because she want to be a makeup artist in the future. And what else? What else you want in the future? You want to be? She want to be a teacher also. Yeah. For now, she don't know the process or the step by step. But let her be. Kung anong gusto niyang unahin, bahala siya sa buhay niya. Pero dapat dahil, you have to study step by step. Yeah. I think Kilay is the last portion you are going to do. But, it's up to you. Just practice and practice, because practice makes perfect. Show them what you are using. My God, sakto ba yung mga man-English natin? My God, don't put lubot kaldero on my face, ha? Too much black, ha? Just light only. Ayha, already kilay, you know that. And then, what's the next? Nag-edit ko karon mga bayno sa ako ang mga old videos. Kung pwede, napanoorin nyo ulit yung mga old videos ko.
Na, sila yan dati ka ng arido.
Okay. Do what you want to do. But make sure it's perfect. OMG. What is that? Why until on my nose?
Oh, anak mo na.
Why on my nose?
Mamaya na ako.
Why? Where did you... Oh...
Hindi ka gano'n. Sa YouTube.
YouTube? You saw it in YouTube? Really? And then,
Yan ang
show them what you are using.
bottom sa'yo.
Say ambot unsa name. Jesus Christ! What happened to me?
Wala ako ginanawad.
OMG! See? Oh my goodness!
Wala mo na.
Huh? Father, I trust in you. We are making a video right here. Shh. Don't!
Uy! Piston.
My goodness. I told you.
Yawa
Ma,
bundak
tubang
na.
daw
We
sa
are
camera.
recording
Ma,
here.
tubang daw sa camera. Di ba okay?
Yeah.
Ang isa kay wala ara kayo.
OMG.
Di na sila magkapagay.
Naan na cellphone nila eh.
Don't come here until we finish. And then, after that,
Lipstick.
you didn't prepare all the things you are going to use.
May lipstick ka rin. Ma,
There, in my bag. Inside the, inside the small bag. Naglagay ako ng mga ad breaks, mga bay, sa mga videos ko, no? Ayan, no? Kailangan, pag namuni na kayo, kailangan yung mga videos nyo 10 minutes pataas para malagyan natin ng maraming ad breaks. Yan, puntahan nyo lang sa inyong Creator Studio, tapos pindutin nyo yung videos, tapos pindutin nyo yung dollar, tapos ayun, maglagay na kayo ng ad breaks kung saan nyo pwedeng ilagay.
mawala kita butang-butang sa sanitizer.
Igawas na din yung hand sanitizer.
Hand sanitizer. Wala na din ma.
Tapos na ba itong ginagawa mo?
Wala ka.
Parang nasampal yung kabila. Inside the small bag, bebe.
Wala man. Ari,
Yes.
wala lagi. Oo. I-start. Wala mo na suot ko.
If nothing there.
Ma, puso ko to sa tahal. Ay, tahal sa kuan. Sa mga kaya ko talang.
Dahil na ba, dahil kay 7, ano na? Why you didn't prepare all the things you need? All the things you need. Have to prepare before it. Thank you so much sa suporta ninyo lahat. Father, i-charge sabi kay lubat man. Father,
Yo.
i-charge sa wali ni mo gisaksak. Kanya naman ko nag-ingon. Dali, uy, ginoo sa man na, uy, nga nag-video ta.
Dara, utang ang cellphone na.
Ha?
Bagbong na da.
What lipstick is that? Ah, sige, sige. Uh-huh. Masyadong pula dahil.
Mama, ganahin ko pala. Ano ma? Mama, mama, mama.
Mama. What else?
Ari,
What else?
ari, kanilang lipstick lang.
Okay. Where did you learn that?
May uto.
Didn't learn that from me?
No.
Of course, you saw me that I put it on my eyelid.
Wait ni Agi. Wait ni Agi. Ito lipstick.
You can use this one.
Duro ka naman. Red kaya.
Okay, go ahead. Oh my God.
Dili lalagi.
Hmm?
Bagay mong lipstick, Ari. Bagay mong lipstick. Di baga.
Because we are so far from the camera.
Sa mga wait mo. Aray, wait.
Don't ever leave me. Don't say goodbye.
Iyak mo. Bata.
Nung ako'y bata.
Wala ko eh. Tsaka mag-ano.
Nang iwan ako ng aking ama. Matay lumuluhan na. Karon nga, right? Medyo iyaga na po karon. Finish?
No. Na, mag-push. Here. Ah, naari. Sige. Naari.
Dili lingkod lang, okay? Na-electric pan ulit.
Tama.